With Performance DIY, formerly Epoxy Coat, and
Rosa Correa.
we appreciate you looking at our products, but we offer really fantastic financing. Right now we're offering 0% financing for up to 2 years for qualified buyers. And we also accept major credit cards. So please check it out for either products or installs.
I would like to say that for a couple of Starbucks that you don't drink a week, you can have an add-on room into your home.
It will also add value, about 5 times the invested value back into your home, and you will be able to enjoy the value of the beautiful coatings, whether it be on your front porch, driveway, garage, basement, countertops, back patio, pool deck, driveway, brick pavers. We have all of it covered, but it adds real value to your home. Please check it out, and we make it very easy with the financing.